Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is your girl Takia here, and today I'm just going to be showing you how I installed this bob wig. This was my first time ever installing anything like this, and I did it such a long time ago, so please give me some grace and sit back and enjoy the video. Thank you.
This one I got you with the jabba. Me, I no get time, I did jabba. That cover my face, calling me la. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all the men, they can't ride the foot. I no feel, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the men, they can't ride the foot. I no feel, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, them must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take me to a way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. For my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, they can't ride the boat. I no feel, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, they can't ride the boat. I know different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all the men, they can't ride the foot. I no feel, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the men, they can't ride the foot. I no feel, oh now.
Alex, Babs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was only out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Boys are Leo, boys are Leo. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Boys are Leo. sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you?
One time I need you. 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 I need to hold the corner, and it's so wide. One time, I need to hold the corner, and it's so wide. One time, cause girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get you look so nice, you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things do not come easy, no. Never been your average girl, so take time with me, take time. Baby, talk to me with some action. We could find a place for your passion. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool now, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, 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 cool down.
Baby, make me tell you this. I won't waste no time, I'll be proceeding quick. The way you're moving lately got me feeling sick. Like say you forgot, you know you're dealing with. Man, I feel great when I'm at work non-stop. You know good for dinner when I come back. Sometimes with ya come out from that. If you walk and leave ya, me not come back.
You're falling, but you don't wanna fall too hard. You're falling, but you don't wanna fall hard. 'Cause it might break if I give you my heart and you hold on too hard. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, simmer. Boy, you make it too hard for me to stay here. Boy, you're making it hard for me to be your love. Cool down, 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 cool down,
Yo, DJ Smasher.
but don't take it personally. I'm surprised you call me after the things I said. Skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down. You acting like we was it more than a summer fling? I said farewell, took it well. Promise I won't cry over the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another bow, give me another hour or two. Why you bothering me when you know you don't want me? Why you bothering me when you know you got a woman? Why you hitting me when you know better? Know you prove everything you do. Call me looking for ya, I be looking for ya. Got me looking forward to weekends. Sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love wherever we want. It don't matter. We do whatever I want, give whatever I want, give whatever I need. It's about love,
Okay guys, thank you for watching with me. This is, y'all, I'm be honest, like, it's not perfect. It's not. But it's gonna work for me tomorrow when I go to work. So I'm about to go to bed, I'm gonna wrap this up. And now I'm gonna go to bed. But yeah, y'all, like, I'm feel real cute. It's my first time having a bob and first time with this color, and I think it looks really, really bomb. This is my, like, I had wigs before, but y'all, I just do them shit on. Like, I never plucked them. I never, like, I'm gonna break through this. I'm gonna just fix this in the morning. So yeah, so please like, subscribe. And comment. I know this was a shitty video. Sorry. I know this wasn't a complete video, but just my first time doing all of this. And I know a lot of stuff was a fail, but this is my first time, and I feel like I did it really, really well compared to my other wigs and stuff like that. So, and y'all, I'm mad because I sat here and sprayed my canvas here and everything, and I tried to drop that, but yeah, looking real cute. So please like, subscribe, and comment. Please check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, y'all. Okay, this is how the hair looks. I know the camera. So, this is how it looks. It's cute. So I'm real quick, ready to work at Shake Shack. So I'm gonna stop. But yeah, I'm gonna go to work. And yeah. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. Like, this is my first Insta. Like, you can see a little bit. Yeah, you can just see a little bit. You can just see a little bit lace, but that's fine. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.
You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Yeah. Only you feel on my body.
When you live with moderate to severe Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis, your day can be full of reminders of your
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, eager fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up if you want. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never know, say a little juvenile coulda run in your yard and take a 3 pints. Babylon, Panellian in the street, and the main and the bucky man, Jesus Christ. Now make him run, now make him out, now make him sleep even nights more. Yeah, dash him when nobody can find us. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. It's me. Coming up kill 2 of them up in this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. All them want, tell them get the tongue cooked down. Every gun's up, every killer mass up. Mass up upon them ins, no, does a clot up. Does a man up, dead the way I feel my lips. No, so you must mad, me killer them no work so. Long as them a talk food too well swag up. And now I be gun for anything start up. Fully lock, fully charge and fully carb up. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. It's me. Coming up kill 2 of them up in this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, eager fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up if you man. Me make you a man up, body a fish up. And heart attack, in a head back, like sponge up. Put the rest back, mother belly company when me let me stamp. How you know about gunmanship? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon Spain town in the frying for gun for medicine and your mammals. How you know about gunmanship? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon Spain town in the frying for gun for medicine and your mammals. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. It's me. Coming up kill 2 of them up in this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Rock, Spanish town, Babylon, Crypto, Uptown, Gunsmith, no, Ratty.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see by your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me eye to fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, lot. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get up though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we a chill with Noel and party, a dance and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird version. Back it up high, you look like your body died me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license.
You turn my game on. I'll push again. I'll be your